Hello, myself 𝐏𝐫𝐶𝐬𝐧𝐠 from Apex University. I am pursuing my Bachelor's of Technology, Computer Science Engineering. Fully digitalization is the dream of Apex University. Apex University offers eco-friendly classroom and campus with Wi-Fi facilities. High-tech resources makes classes engaging, while client-centered services enhance communication skills. Regular personalized feedback on theory and practical progress is a tradition, ensuring a supportive learning experience at Apex University.
Hi, I am Deepak Chaudhary from Hanumangarh, pursuing B.Tech CS from Apex University. At Apex University, our course is designed to equip you with the professional skills and knowledge required for contemporary practice. Our experienced staff, who are passionate subject specialists, will guide you every step of the way. Additionally, we offer opportunities for students to engage in games, sports, and cultural activities, fostering personal skill development. Join us at Apex University and optimize your potential for success.
Hello, myself Alpna Dubey from Prayagraj, and I am currently pursuing B.Tech Computer Science Engineering at Apex University, Jaipur. At Apex University, we take a pride in our well-furnished and modern library, offering a wealth of resources for student learning. Explore our vast collection ranging from technical course books to non-technical subjects.
Hello everyone, myself 𝐏𝐫𝐶𝐬𝐧𝐠. I am a student of B.Tech Computer Science second semester at Apex University. Experience Apex University's B.Tech program with specialized tracks and cutting-edge labs in chemistry, physics, electronics and computer science. Our skilled faculty will guide you through practical procedures and providing deep knowledge about engineering principles. Embrace modern technology and elevate your engineering journey at Apex University.
Hi, this is Ayush Singh from Patna, currently pursuing B.Tech CSG Apex University, Jaipur. Computer labs at Apex University are the perfect environment to develop an efficient knowledge of programming languages, which are the basic need to become a software expert. Equipped with state-of-the-art facilities including desktop and Wi-Fi facilities, our labs will provide you with a conducive learning experience. Our dedicated teachers are cooperative and supportive and utilizing effective teaching methods to ensure the crystal clear understanding of concepts. Experience the ideal platform for honing your computer skills at Apex University Computer Labs.